Sir, pasuyo, Suzuki XL7 or Toyota Avanza G? Sige, Lolly174, dahil malakas kayo sa akin, tara sagutin natin. So let me put it this way. I want to look at it as, si Suzuki and Toyota, both of them, they have twins or mga kambal for this category, the 7-seater category, no? For those who want practicality, medyo budget friendly, Suzuki has Ertiga for that. On the other hand, Toyota has Avanza for that, okay? And then for those who want a little bit more, maybe we can say a little bit more flash or, well, parang luxurious look in some bit of ways, Suzuki has XL7 for that and Toyota has Veloz for that. So if we think about it, yun yung parang pantay talaga, or we can directly compare. Again, Ertiga can be compared with Avanza, and then XL7 can be compared with Toyota Veloz. But if you just really like the XL7 and then hindi ka, or you don't like too much Toyota Veloz, then no problem, we can still compare it for you. So Suzuki XL7 around 1.2 million, around that range, and then si Toyota Avanza is around 1,070,000 pesos, around that range, under 1.1 million si Avanza. As a Toyota Veloz owner, again, having that said na kambal si Veloz tsaka si Avanza, without the flashiness of Veloz, without the luxurious touch, the extra features, you get the very basic na strength ni Toyota: reliability, practicality, utilitarian, gets the job done. Maluwag para sa akin, that's the Avanza. So as a Veloz owner, like I said, without the extra things that you're gonna get with Veloz, I really don't want to recommend yung pareho nito, Daihatsu made Toyota. My point is the build quality, the yun nga, yung bakal na gamit. So that is what you're gonna take note of if you're gonna choose the Avanza. And because of that, honest opinion na naman, personal, mas gusto ko si XL7 in terms of yung mga touches niya, yung design niya, sporty, elegant, yung may mga chrome accents, and then most of all, yung kanyang interior ni XL7. I really love the wood accents, wood na aesthetics, and then yung not to mention yung malaking infotainment screen niya, parang may iPad ka dito sa gitna. With the eye test, I think mukhang mas malaki si Avanza, but when you get inside, I was really shocked when I did a review of the XL7 na malaki pala at maluwag siya inside. So that's my humble opinion. Please check out my 7-seaters playlist on YouTube. See you there.